Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back all students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So students, yesterday we have done the exercise number first A. Okay, to the chapter number 2. Okay, now in chapter number 2 we are going to further a new topic, subtraction. What is the name of our chapter? Addition and a subtraction. So students, already we have done the addition and now we are going to further a new topic of subtraction. Okay, so first of all we are understand what is a subtraction. Already we have done, but again I am telling you and again I am how to do the subtraction with regrouping, and we are going to exercise related to the regrouping of subtraction. Okay, so now start the subtraction with regrouping. So a new topic is here, subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. So students, we start the example number 1. Already we know the how to do subtraction, but again I am telling you and again we are learn the subtraction with regrouping. But here we are taking a 4 digit. Okay. In third standard we are learn what a 3 digit or 2 digit subtraction. But now here we are doing a 4 digit subtraction. Example number 1. Okay, 3421 minus 1732. So students, now let's solve this sum. Example number 1. 1 minus 2 if possible. No, so we are put that borrowing 10. Okay, so 10 plus 1, how many? 10 plus 3 here. Directly we are with number 10 and this one. Okay, so 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2, so how many? 9. And further this digit we are cut. Okay, so 2 is cut and then what we are putting a 1. But 1 minus 3 is possible, not possible. So again what we are taking that borrow. So again I am putting that borrow. So again 11. What again? 11. Double borrowing system. Which system is here? Double borrowing system. Again I am taking here a borrow. 10 and plus this one. So 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. So how many? 8. Understood? Then after now again we cut the further digit this side. Okay, 4 and then here 3. Okay, so which number we have put there? 4 is bigger and which number is put there here? There lower digit. Given digit to the lower digit. So lower digit is a 4 to 3. Okay, so 3 minus 7 if possible. No, so again what we are doing? A borrow. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 7. Okay, 13 minus 7, so how many? 6. Okay, and then further cut the digit. So 3, so which digit we are putting? A small. Okay, further small. So 2 minus 1 is possible. So 1. So answer is what? 1000 1689. 1689 is our answer. I hope you understood. And one more example I am taking for the as a example. Okay. Second example is what for here 9384 minus 2679. Okay, students. So 4 minus 9 possible? If possible, no. That's why we are taking the borrow. So 10 plus 4 14. Okay, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. So how many possible? 14 minus 9. So 5 is the left, and then further digit is a 7 here. 7. 7 minus 7 0, and then here 3 minus 6 is possible? No. So what we are doing? Borrow 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 1 and 3. 13 minus 6. So which number we are put there? Okay, now see. Whenever we are doing the subtractions, if you are don't doing the proper calculations, so if do the calculation in a rough work, you put the heading rough work in paper, other paper, and you write here the rough work. Okay, so 13 minus 6. Okay, so 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, how many left? 10 minus 6, how many left? 4. 4 plus 3 7. Okay, as like that we are doing, because of during the exam you don't know how to do a calculation, and how we forgot how, and you are count as like that, tapping on your finger on orally. So it's not a well method, but students, you have must do this rough work, okay, during the exam. So 3 minus 6. Again we are back on our topic. Okay, so 13 minus 6. So how many? 7. Then further digit we are cutting 9. So 8, and 8 minus 2 6. So answer is what? 6,704 is our answer. Okay. Now students, okay, subtraction with 0. Now Z grouping is here complete, but new topic is for what here? Subtraction with a 0. So let's check what is the method of subtraction with a 0, and we are taking the 2 examples, and then we are going on for the exercise. Okay, so now students, I am taking here one example. Okay, 0 minus 7 possible. We have a small digit, and we have a remove minus the greatest digit. It is not a possible. So what we are doing? Borrow 10. 10 minus 7. So how many? 3. Again a cut. Whenever a 9 is came. Okay, whenever a 9 is came, what? 0 minus 2. 3. Whenever you are cut, take the borrow, and before a 0 number is come, so that's why this situation you are take a 0 to 9. Okay, which digit? 9. 9 minus 2. How many? 7. Okay, then further again we have cut the digit. Which number? Because of we are taking here as cut the 0, and we are taking here the 9. So again we are cut the 0 and put the 9. 9 minus 3. How many 9 minus 3? 6. Okay, and 3 minus 1. No, again we are cut the, because of what? 3 minus 1. But we are taking here a 9, 9. So whenever we are taking a 9, so further digit, this side of digit, our next digit, we are always cut. Cut this digit, I am cutting this digit. Then 2 minus 1. So 1. Okay, so answer is what? 1673. Again I am explaining you briefly what is our subtraction with 0. 1, 3, 2, 7. Okay, listen all students, listen carefully. 0 minus 7. This digit 0 is a small digit and 7 is a large, greatest number. So it's not possible to remove or subtract this digit. So that's because of because we are taking here a borrow. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, so how many left? 3. And further which digit we are cut? Okay, here any no digit means 0. So whenever is 0 coming, so what we are doing? We are put a 9. Okay, 9 minus 2, how many? 7. Again see 0. So again what we are doing? 9. And further 9, always we are cut the digit. 9 minus 3, 6. And 3 minus 3 cut and 2 minus 1. So 1. So answer is what? 1673. Okay, I hope you understood betterly all students. And one more example I am taking for you. Zero minus 7. Again the same situation of this one. So what we are doing here? I am taking here a borrow. 10 minus 7, so 3, and further which digit here? Cut. What we are putting there? 0. 1 is here a number, and a smallest number is this 0. So 0 minus 6, not possible. So 10 minus 6, 4. Again I am cutting here 0. So 9. 9 minus 8, 1, and again I am cut this digit. Because of 9, I am taking here a 9. So 4, so 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So answer is what? 2143. Okay, I hope you are understood all students, because of we have learned something new, a new topic of subtraction. Okay. So students, now we are starting the exercise. So our next topic means the next exercise is exercise number second B. In exercise number second B, question number first is subtract okay. Question number 1. Okay, here is first term is which method we are applied? Subtract with the 0. All students, now see 0 minus 2. How many? No. So what we are doing here? Borrowing. So 10 minus 2, 8, and further which digit is here? 0. So we are putting a 9, 9 minus 6, 3. Again here 0. So again I am cut and put the 9. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. So 2. And again I am cut here 8. 8. The smallest digit of 8. 8 to small 7. 7 minus 1. So answer is what? 6,238. Okay, understood. And then we start the example number 2. 14,389. So 9,762. Okay, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. So 8 and 7. So answer is 7. 8 minus 6. 2. 3 minus 7. Not possible. So I am taking here a borrow. 10 plus this digit. Which are 3. So 13. 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7. So 6. 13 minus 7. So 6. And then after 4. 4 we have got and put the 3. 3 minus 9 is possible? No. So what we are doing that? We are doing that borrow. 10 plus 3. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. So how many digits are left? 4 and 1. Again we are cut the 1. 0. Okay. So we are put there a 0. The answer is 4,627. Okay, I hope you understood all students better. And now further, one more thing for you all students. One more thing all students. You have to make a box in all answer. What? Anyhow, you make a box in our answer because of your box. Box is highlight your answer and it make a box is make your good presentation. Question number C. 4,865 and 1,673. So 5 minus 3. How many? 2. 6 minus 7. Possible? If not possible, so we are taking a borrow. 10 plus 6, 16. Okay. So how many digits? How many digits? Okay. How many? 16 minus 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. So how many? And listen all students, we have to do a rough work with here with your calculation base, because of you all are tapping with counting with your finger steps. Okay. So here students 16 minus 7. Okay. So answer is here what? See now. Once I am again explaining because of very complicated and too much complicated. So because of directly all sums comes with a regrouping and a 0 or subtract with a 0. So see here 7 minus 1. So borrow 16 minus 7. Okay. So again we are doing the same thing. See now. 7 here and 6 here. So 1. So 0 and 9. Okay. That's why we are doing here the 9. Okay. Then further cut the 1 digit. We have put the 7. 7 minus 6. 1. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. How many comes? 3. So answer is what here? 3,192. Okay. all students, these all questions you have a write in your books. Okay, because of this exercise you compulsory you have a write in your fair book. Question number D. Question number D is your 5, 6, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 6. So students, listen here. 2 minus 6 possible? No. So what we are taking that? Borrow. So 10 plus 2, 12 minus 6. So how many? 6 here. Okay. So then further what we are doing? Cut the digit 3. So 2 minus 8 possible? No. So again we are taking the borrow. 10 plus 2, 12, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8, so how many left? 4, and for the digit we are cutting 6, so here what we are putting 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 5 minus 2, 3, so answer is what here? 3146, 3146. Then question number E. Nine minus 4. So how many? 5. 3 minus 3. 0. 8 minus 2. 6. 7 minus 4. It's very easy. No need to taking any borrow here. Then F. F is 4, 7, 4, 7, 6, 3 means 47,653. Then minus 23,854. Students. So let students we are solve the question. So 3 minus 4. It is not possible. So 10 plus 3. 13 minus 4. So how many? 13 minus 4? 9. And then for the digit we are cut here the 4. 4 minus 5, not possible. So what we are doing there? Borrow. 14 minus 5. So again a 9. Again cut the digit 7. 7 minus 8 is not possible. So 17 minus 8. So answer again is a 9. Then again cut the digit 7. So 6 minus 3, 3, and 4 minus 2. So answer is what? 23,999. Okay. So now students, we have a last two, sir. G and H. Okay. So students, here we have a write the question number G. Then that's a last round G. 6, 8 means 68,425, 14, 1,319, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. But here 2 minus 9 is not possible. So 10 plus 2, 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. So how many? Left a 3, then further digit we have cut a 3 because of 4, and we have to take the small. 3 minus 3, 0, 8 minus 1, 7, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So how many? 2. Okay. The answer is what here for us? Okay. Then question number H. Question number H is what? 73,971 minus 12,895. So now let's start the solving the sum. One minus 5 is possible? No. So students, what we are doing that we are taking the borrow. 10 plus 1. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. So how many? 6. Then cut the digit 7. So 8. 8 minus 9 is not possible. So 80. So 18. So 18 minus 9. So 9. Here a 9. So which digit we are taking here? 8. 8 minus 8. 0. Okay. 3 minus 2. 1. 7 minus 1. 6. So answer is 71,096. This is your question. Here done your question number 1. Subtract. Okay. Till question number H. Okay. You have a write in your fair book. So now question number B is what, all students? Question number B. Okay. Subtract with the question number 2 is what here? Subtract. What's the same question but some different things. We learn new things in question number 2. But students, we don't have a time, so that's why we are learning a new session. Because of that is now this question number 1 is enough for today. Okay. So in next lecture I teach you a question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Subtraction. And today I'll give you a homework. Exercise number second B. Question number 1. One time in your fair book. One time in your fair book. And 2 times. 2 times in your rough book. Today's your homework. Okay. I hope you are understood and I hope you are enjoying a lecture. If you have any doubts, so you can tell me, ask me, whatever. Okay. This is your homework. This is your homework, and this is your all question number 1. You have to write in your fair book one time, and question number 2 we are learn in a new session.